Getting it done.
Get something done when you work with others. About a goal of good collaboration. Getting needed results as your end impact. Achieve lateral leadership. Organize and sharpen your personal skills at getting things done by yourself. Understand clearly your strategic goal of an organized way of getting things done with others. Learn some tactics of participatory leadership.
The Reengineering Corporation.
Business reengineering means starting all over, starting from scratch. Reengineering can't be carried out in small and cautious steps. It is an all-or-nothing proposition that produces dramatically impressive results.
The only leadership book you'll ever need.
An organization should have a compelling and positive vision for its future. If people do not willingly follow you, you will be a manager, but not a leader. Knowing the most important actions to take to create workplace excellence is critical to ensure your success as a leader.
Rethink, reinvent, reposition.
Every company will eventually mature and go into decline. All products and services and lines of business have a life cycle. Risk is the probability that exposure to a hazard will lead to a negative consequence. It is inherent in renewal.
Instant systems.
Systems will allow your business to work without you. If you continue working in it, and not on it, then your business will never grow and prosper, and it will not reach its full potential. Knowledge is all about what we do with information. It also implies more of a human connection than does information, in which the machine has pride of place.
Innovation.
Innovation is the successful creation and delivery of a new or improved product or service that provides value for your customer and sustained profit for your organization. Develop a disciplined process of innovation that is practically linked to the way things get done in an enterprise.